Mathematics is all around us, often overlooked but essential. It's not just about numbers and equations, it's the secret language of the universe, helping us understand and shape our world. Math is everywhere. From the orbits of planets to skyscraper designs, it forms the backbone of science, engineering, and technology. Without math, innovations like smartphones, the internet, and space exploration wouldn't exist. Every time you use GPS, stream a video, or play a game, math is at work. Algorithms, data analysis, and coding all rely on mathematical principles, making math the unsung hero of modern life. Math isn't just practical. It teaches critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. It's a mental workout, helping you tackle challenges in any field, whether you're an artist, doctor, or entrepreneur. The coolest part? Math is universal. No matter where you are, 2 + 2 always equals 4. It's a language that connects us all, helping make sense of the chaos around us. Math is key to unlocking the universe's mysteries and shaping the future.